Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon V. And in this lesson we'll continue our series of videos regarding the topic identical words in English and French, and we'll especially focus on the words in English that will end with E-O-N. Okay, keep in mind that the first thing that you should remember is that it must exist in French, because all these E-O-N words in English won't exist in French. And then the second thing that you should keep in mind, in some cases the writing will change a little bit. Let's start. Mobilisation, modération, modernisation, modification, motivation, munition, mutation, mystification, narration, natation, nation, nationalisation, naturalisation, navigation, négation, nomination, notion, objection, obligation, observation, occasion, opération, opinion, opposition, optimisation, option, orchestration, organisation, orientation, pacification, palpitation, partition, passion, pension, perception, percussion, perfection, perforation, perfusion, permission, persécution, persuasion, perturbation, pétition, plantation, pollution, population, portion, position, possession. And that's it for this list of 50 words. If you want more, then more videos can be found at the following address. And then you can like me on Facebook, I will be so happy. And you can find more material at the following address, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.